Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that so many of us dream about: financial freedom. It all starts with a plan, so let's get into it. The very first step on this journey is setting clear financial goals. Once you have your goals, it's time for the most critical tool in your financial toolkit: a budget. Now, let's talk about the biggest roadblock for most people on their path to financial freedom: debt. As you're paying down debt, you also need to start building a safety net. With your high-interest debt gone and your emergency fund in place, it's time for the fun part: making your money work for you. So let's quickly recap the steps to financial freedom. First, define what financial freedom means to you and set clear, specific short-term and long-term goals. Second, create a detailed budget to tell your money where to go and free up cash to work towards your goals. Third, attack your high-interest debt with a focused strategy like the debt snowball or avalanche. Fourth, build an emergency fund of 3 to 6 months of expenses to protect you from life's curveballs. And finally, start investing consistently for the long term to let compound interest build your wealth. This journey is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be ups and downs, but don't get discouraged. Celebrate the small wins along the way, whether it's paying off a small debt or hitting a savings milestone. Every dollar you budget, every debt you pay off, and every dollar you invest is a step towards a future with more choices, more security, and more freedom. You can do this. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video gave you a clear roadmap to start your own journey. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content on personal finance and building a life you love. Let me know in the comments which step you're going to start with today. See you in the next video.